I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump break cue. First, understand that this specialized cue is designed for two main purposes: delivering a powerful break shot and executing precise jump shots over obstructing balls. To begin, establish a firm yet relaxed grip, typically with your dominant hand near the balance point of the cue. Your stance should be athletic and balanced, allowing for a full and unhindered stroke. This foundational setup is crucial for both power and accuracy. For a powerful break, place the cue ball on the head string, ensuring it's centered. Aim your cue at the lead ball of the rack, or slightly off-center for a controlled spread. Execute a smooth, level stroke with significant acceleration through the cue ball. Focus on a full follow-through, driving the cue tip through the point of impact. This technique maximizes energy transfer, scattering the object balls effectively across the table. To perform a jump shot, adjust your grip higher on the cue, shortening your bridge. Elevate the butt of the cue significantly, creating a steep angle, often 45 degrees or more. Strike the cue ball with a downward motion, aiming for the top 1/4 to 1/2 of the ball. This downward force, combined with the steep angle, causes the cue ball to hop over the obstructing ball. Practice controlling the height and distance of your jumps. Consistent practice is key to mastering both the break and jump shots. Dedicate time to repetitive drills, focusing on your grip, stance, and stroke mechanics. Experiment with different cue ball positions for breaks and various jump shot scenarios to build versatility. Pay close attention to the feedback from each shot, making small adjustments to refine your technique. Remember, controlled power and precision will elevate your game significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.